Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix investment apps with Stash, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started with Stash, first, download the app from the App Store or Google Play. Once installed, open the app and create your account. Input your email address and choose a strong password. Follow the prompts to verify your identity. Next, link your bank account to fund your investment. Select the option to add funds and decide how much you want to invest. Explore the various investment options available on the platform. You can choose from stocks, ETFs, and other assets based on your interests. Once you select an investment, review the details carefully. If satisfied, proceed to complete your purchase. Monitor your portfolio regularly to track your investments. If you encounter issues, navigate to the help section in the app. Stash provides helpful FAQs and troubleshooting tips. You can also reach out to customer support for personalized assistance. Regularly update your app to ensure you have the latest features. Stay informed about investment trends and strategies through Stash's resources. Adjust your investment strategy as needed based on your financial goals. With consistent use, you can grow your investment knowledge and confidence. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.